Ndichikutambirai zvekare pano pahadzera re263 pano pachiva ichikuzivisai manews updates zvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel, kusubscribe mahara wotena on the notification bell kuitira kuti pandinodzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera. Vadikani, update yandinayo ividhio raApostle Chiwenga. Apostle Chiwenga vobuda mastreets esocial media vachitaura zvavanga vachitaura, mashoko ekuti handigoni kumawedzeredza kana kumatambudza. Kuti muzvionere video, apedza kuona video taura zvaunofika kucomment section. Insati rare ndiri pakufamba nenyaya dzine proof ende dzechokwadi dzisina nhema mukati. Kuisira video, apedza kuona video taura zvaunofika kucomment section. Ndichitenda zvikuru nesupport yamunopa panapa pathis YouTube channel. Vadikani, rudo rwenyu runotisvitsa kure. Rambai makabata chimuti kuti dzvi. Inini Sati Rare ndichange ndichikasika kumanya nemanews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe nguva nenguva. Wasubscribe here, walike this video here, washare this video kuhama neshamwari here. Ini Sati Rare vadikani, ndafunga kukutizai. Tinosangana zvekare munguva inotevera. Manje so much love.
Pasi vakoma ndanzwa kuti mamuchimhanya mustreet muri kudei. Chiwenga wakanditi inini handisi kutungamira zvakanaka, ndaifanira kuita sei? Ndo zvinoitwa nemunhu asiri coward izvozvo. Isu tiri kutaura tiri pachena seizvo zvimasikati asi manheru. Kana vakatoti izvezvi Chiwenga uya tikuone, I can meet the president at any time of the day. I'm not afraid of him. Even though I have got marks and wounds and injuries in my body, which I know they were inflicted at their orders, I can still meet with them. I am not too angry to have a comprehensible conversation and a meaningful conversation with them. I can still talk to them. Because I'm not a coward. If you believe that what you are doing is right, and yet there's somebody telling you it is wrong, if you are not a coward, you will say, let us talk about it. Tell me, what should we have done instead of this you are criticizing? What was the better option? The government of Zimbabwe does not want to hear the citizens speaking to them and ridiculing them, reproving them, criticizing them, and condemning their acts of irresponsibility. Instead of speaking to the people, the government of Zimbabwe unleashes violence, it unleashes genocide, it unleashes terror on the very citizens. The only time you will see Mr. Mnangagwa trying to have a conversation with the population, it is when he's asking them to vote for him again. We are denouncing the girlfriend relationship that exists today between the government and the people of Zimbabwe. That is a consumeristic relationship. It's very costly. And we represent the true church, which is going to continue to speak out and say, it is wrong for the president to decide when the people should be addressed. When should the people be listened to? When should he come to answer to the people of Zimbabwe? We are saying no to that. The true church is always going to speak out. The purpose of this advocacy is not necessarily to safeguard my life, Apostle Chiwenga's life. No. That's not the purpose of this advocacy. The purpose of this advocacy is to expose good and expose evil at the same time. We want the people of Zimbabwe to hear us, not in the service where we are required to preach about Jesus. No, this advocacy is an advocacy program where I am allowed to address the matters that we made this advocacy for. The safety of Zimbabwean people. What is right and what is wrong? How is it right and how is it wrong? If we are saying this is wrong, then what is right? This is the purpose. My safety has always been a gripping issue to us, the church. We have always had this issue. We didn't start to be harassed this year or last year by the state. We have been harassed by the state for the past 4 to 5 years. It's not something that causes us sleepless nights. We are used to it. We have accepted our fate that I can wake up dead any day. That's not what we are concerned about. Yes. We are concerned about a system that was designed to smother the voice of the citizens so that they can preserve their grip, their criminal grip, their unlawful grip on power. Labeling people who speak out enemies of the government is an attempt at actually silencing a small dissenting voice, which should actually be allowed to speak out 24 hours a day.